buddies, welcome back to my channel. So I am here with a brand new video for you all. So today I'm going to share my skincare empties for this March and April included. So what I'll do is I'll show you the empties that I have. They are especially for skincare and few body care products. And I'll share my thoughts about them as well during that process. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And please do subscribe if you like this video and share it with your friends, and press that bell icon right next to it so that you will get notified every time I upload a new video, and press the like button as well. So let's get started. So let's start with my first empty. So the very first empty that I have is from Vaseline. It's their body butter in the range Cocoa Glow. So I have used this up during this winters, and it smells divine, I will tell you, and I have really liked the texture of it. It is not really very thin, because it is not a body lotion, it's a body butter, so that is supposed to be thick, but it is actually very moisturizing without being oily or sticky. So you can use it during winters, no matter, I think, whatever skin type that you have. So if you ask me will I repurchase it, definitely I will. So the second empty that I have is from Oriflame, and it's a hand and body cream, and it is a smaller pack. I have used it actually as I bought it as a hand cream, but I liked it so much that I started using it as a body cream as well during the winters, and it is the variant Milk and Honey Gold. So it actually smells pretty nice, and I will tell you the consistency of this is way lighter than the previous one that I showed. So previous product I mean. So yeah, the consistency is very light, but the moisture level is somewhere close to the body butter that I showed from Vaseline. Okay, so it's totally up to you. You can choose either of the one, and both work pretty good for me. So if you ask me if I would recommend it, definitely I would. So the third product is a skincare product. It is from Jeva. It is their Japanese matcha green tea face pack infused with argan oil. So I have used this product for a while now. I had this mask for a while, and I have used it completely, as you can see. So I will tell you this particular product, as it is infused with Japanese matcha green tea. It is actually meant for towards oily skin and people with the problem of acne, because I sometimes get breakouts here or there. So that's the reason first I mean I thought about buying this. And I will tell, whenever I used to have breakouts, I never used any spot treatment or anything like that, but I went for this one whenever I used to have breakouts. So this product really has helped to dry down the acne, the active acne. And it is, I will not say it is a revolutionary product, but if you are someone who is fighting with acne or has excessive oily skin, so you can give this a go. It is rather, I would say, a 6 on 10 from my end. Yeah. So okay, talking about revolutionary product, I have one here. So this is the fourth empty that I have. It is from Palm, and as you can see, we Indians we cannot waste product, like none of us should. I have really cut it out and used this till the last drop. So this is their green tea clear spotlight gel. It is actually a spot treatment from Plum, from their green tea range. I actually have almost the whole range from their green tea, and I will tell you that particular range works so amazingly on your skin. If you have combination too oily, so I believe even dry skin people can use it, because it doesn't dry out your skin, not even 1%. It doesn't take away the moisture from your skin, but what it does is it actually fights with the bacteria built up over there and excess sebum. So if you have anyway acne problem, particular product like this, like it's a spot treatment. What I do is I use it on active acne to deal with them, and also use on the spots caused by acne. So it works wonders for both of them. So if you ask me that will I repurchase it, honestly speaking, I already have 2 backups of it with me, so I cannot live without this product. It's a must have. So the very next product is a few products that I'll show next are face washes. So I have used some of the cleansers over here. That is raw. It is from particularly this cleanser. It is from Raw Nature and it is the volcanic green clay variant. So it used to, as it's a, you can see it's a clear tub. The cleanser itself, the product was of green color and it's a very thick consistency. It's a I would say very rare or unique consistency that I would say. We do not see that type of consistency in our normal cleansers. Okay, so it doesn't foam up very much, but I would say it actually that suggests that it is not added with extra soap, so it's good and very gentle for your skin. I would say I will give this product a 7 out of 10. If you want, and if you want to go the gentle route for your skin, you can really use this product. Think about using it, and it will do wonders for your skin. Like, it is a very good product, and it is also meant for oily skin, but as I told you, I have combination skin. It suited me very well. So the very next product is another face wash that is from Sentiments. So I hope I am pronouncing their name correctly. So this is the tea tree face wash infused with neem. So you can tell by the two active ingredients over here, that is tea tree and neem. Both work wonders for your skin if you have acne, or if you are prone to acne, or if you have any problem in your skin. So as they are both antioxidant and they are microbial. So about this particular face wash, I would say that it is also infused with vitamin E and aloe vera. So this particular combination is deadly, I will tell you, in a good way. So if you have any type of skin, I will say, you can really think about buying this. If you ask me, will I recommend you to buy this, I will to make you understand better, I will give this product an 8 out of 10. You can really go for this. It's a very nice face wash. Alright, the next product is from Mamaearth. I have shown you guys this product in my very first video, where the facial video. And yeah, this is their Upton face wash. This is actually meant for tan removal, but even if you don't have that much tan ongoing, you can use this face wash as a daily scrub as well, because it has some microgranules in it. So this face wash actually doesn't have too much fragrance to it, because Mamaearth products are anyway so gentle on your skin, and they are without any harmful chemicals added to them. So they are actually very nice. All of their products till date, whatever I have used, they have not let me down. So yeah, I will tell you, you can use this product. Among the 3 face washes, if you ask me to rate them, I will rate this one as the topmost, because I really love this product. You can buy it, doesn't matter if you have tan or not, because it's a gentle cleanser which has few scrubbing particles, so you can give this a go. Alright, the next one is again from Mamaearth. It is their anti-pollution face cream. This is also something that I have shown you in my first video. So this product is infused with Polustop. What happens is, Polustop is something which helps us to fight pollution. Like, it helps our skin and makes a barrier against the pollution that is outside and our skin. So it protects our skin in that manner. So it is something very unique. I really found the idea very unique, because in Indian market I haven't seen many products with this particular thought behind them. So yeah, that's the reason first I bought it, but I really liked it and I have already repurchased it. So that says a lot about it, I hope. And yes, if you ask me how much will I give this among 10, I will give 9 among 10, if not more. I really like this. And if you ask me the consistency, you can use it, I will say, in the summers as well, but in winters if you have your skin towards on the drier side, then you can use it something a little more moisturizing just before or just after before this, because this you can use on after your moisturizer, because this creates a barrier, you know, it works in a similar pattern like your sunscreen. So yeah, other than that, if you have a combination on oily skin, you can use throughout the year on its own. It doesn't require any other moisturizer to be added. So let's come to the next product. It is again from Palm, and it is like grapeseed and sea buckthorn glow restore face oils blend. So I will say one thing, and I hope it will not require any more explanation about how much I like this product or will I repurchase. This is my third bottle, and I already have one backup of this at my place. So yeah, that says a lot, I think. I really love this oil. What I do for my end, I will tell you how to use it. As this is a facial oil, you can use it daily if you have dry skin. Even in summer you can use it. Otherwise, if you have combination or oily skin like mine, what you can do is in winters or apart from summer, all across the year you can use it. Other than, you can use it just before your makeup in summers as well. So what it does is, even if you use a matte foundation, facial oil like this, because this doesn't make your skin oily, because it is very lightweight, but it moisturizes your skin to some different level. So it will make sure that even if you don't use a primer underneath your foundation, doesn't matter how matte that is, and if you have a dry skin as well, it goes smoothly on top. So yeah, that's how I use it. I use it in the night time during winters, and throughout the year I use it before makeup. So the last product that I have is a shampoo that is from Garnier. It is the Ultra Blends Anti Hair Fall Shampoo. So honestly speaking, I have finished this up, but I haven't noticed any remarkable difference in hair fall. But what I'll tell is it is the Royal Jelly and Lavender variant, and it smells divine. I really like the smell, like how it smells, and the consistency is also very nice, because I have a hair that is very oily, because I have oily scalp, and it actually kept the oils at bay for around 1.5 days to 2 days after I shampooed my hair. So yeah, you can give this a go if you are looking for any particular remarkable result for your hair fall. So then I'm not sure, but if you're looking for a budget friendly and decent shampoo, then you can give this a go. I will give this a 7 out of 10. So that's about it. We are done with this video, and I hope you all are staying safe and indoors, guys. Please take care of yourselves, and we will also overcome this particular situation together. So take care and bye bye. I'll see you in my next video.